So, hi everyone! So, for today's video, nandito kami sa vacation namin for my birthday and Mom's birthday too. Next couple days. So now, pakita ko sa inyo yung room namin. Ang ganda, nakakatakot. So, ito yung first room. Ito yung entrance. So, pagpasok mo, ito yung first room. Ayan. Ganyan siya. Parang siyang old ano talaga. Ayan, black and white. Black and white yung room. So, yun yung walk-in closet. And this is the restroom. Ayan siya. Tiyanan! Ang ganda niya. Tapos, they also have here, I think, another... Oh, yeah. This is what I like when we are, booking a place to stay. We always want Airbnb because of this. Para hindi kami magdala ng labahan pag uwi. So, we always make sure na meron silang washing and dryer. And meron na siya. Kompleto na siya actually ng mga gamit. Pwede ka magluto. Meron siyang ref, mga cabinet, the dishwasher, and meron siyang oven and microwave over there. And yan siya, couch yan siya na ginagawa naming bed kasi dyan matutulog yung baby girl namin. And we have this one table namin for our dining. Tanan, ito yung sala nila. Ayan siya. And that's the view when you go outside. Tan, 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 tan. Ayan. So meron pa yan siyang ano dyan. Parang terrace niya na pwede kang magtambay-tambay. And mag-watch-watch sa labas kung ano mga nangyayari. Ito yung TV niya. So, ito yung bed niya. Ayan, couch yan siya na ginagawang bed. Tapos ito yung TV niya. Ayan, siya. Ito yung second room. Dito kami ni Daddy. Tingnan mo yan. Takot, uy. Look. Who's that girl? Black and white pa rin siya. So, the theme here is black and white talaga. So, ito yung restroom ng bed ng room na to. Tadan! May pupo, may tumai. And, yan yung walk-in closet. And meron silang vault there for your personal belongings na mga important. And meron siyang access going out sa terrace from this bedroom. Huh? Yeah. So, ganyan siya. Ang ganda niya, ang laki. Look at that, oh. Ano yan siya? Si Princess may tagabantay ka din pala doon ako. Binabantay. May tagabantay ka sa taas. BFF mo yan? So, ayan, ang ganda niya. Ay, napakalawak. Ayan. Siya. Ang lawak niya talaga. Ang ganda. So, yan yung ano, kagandahan pag Airbnb yung binubook during vacation. My God, we have visitor. Hi, welcome to our house. Ngayon sila pag nagbe-vacation, tingnan nyo, dala nila buong bahay. Marami yung pagkain, so gamitin nila Ma'am Shilok. Kaya pala itong supplies. You always, talaga, bring a lot of, a lot. You bring your house again? You bring your house again? You bring your house, and you can check, you have to check. Huh?
I can do orange process.
This painting is really pretty, though.
Saves a lot of money.
Well, it's a good thing as well because we can cook, right? So you can really bring a lot of different food that you want and you can just cook it here. It's a good one. I love you.
Love you.
Ang galing. So meron na kaming supply. You don't have to worry about food, coffee, and everything because we have it here. Look. That's what I love it though. Pag nag-ano ba bakasyon kami, dala nila buong bahay nila all the time. Ang cute. Ayan na yung konting pasilip sa aming accommodation for 4 nights. 3 nights, I think. Because after here, lilipat kami sa beach. So, pupunta kami sa...
Beach.
Which beach is it?
Ewan ko.
Basta, beach. Lever mo. Careful, careful.
Let's go home.
Bye, everyone.
We're going home,
Bye.
bye.
She's going to the lever.
Paxi. Paxi, look. Mami, Paxi. Mom's going home.
Nak! Yeah, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Love you.
I have bruises.
Far. I told